Dear friends, it's very lucky day today because the laying of electrical poles at Nizamabad station. So we are now going to watch the laying of electrical poles at the surroundings and the Nizamabad railway station yard today. Here the pole is laying near the rail under bridge on the National Highway 63 towards Jagdalpur. So here the electrical pole is laying very carefully and exactly in the foundation prepared earlier. See here, it is laid by the help of a crane and is specially made for the railways. Here the site engineers and section engineers are also available at the time of the laying of the electrical pole in this section. It is good news to all of us because in the earlier video we have watched the electrification work was completed to the nearby the station boundaries. So here the next the station yard is completely electrified very soonly and we are able to watch the electric locomotive in the Nizamabad railway station. This is the Nizamabad Pedapalli section. The electrification work is completing soonly. Now we'll watch the electrified section and the electrification is going to be complete in this section very soon. The electrical poles are seeing in this video clip which are laid already. Now we'll enter into the station area. Here one electrical pole is going to be erect. So in this railways all the works will be done by planning. They have their own system. You are watching here in this, they are carrying the electrical poles in their carriage vans. Also the crane is fitted on the carriage van. With the help of the crane they are laying very easily the electrical poles. After laying down, the electrical poles will be fixed. After fixation the other work will be completed. You look at here how the electrical pole is laid down in the foundation. It is nearby 3 feet depth. So by this the electrical pole will not be changed and it will be very safe. After laying, the connecting of the pole to the crane will be removed. So it is very easy. After this laying, the pole will be fixed in the ground. So after fixation only, the connectors, conductors all will be fitted to the pole, and after that the wiring work will be done. So here the laying of this pole is completed and the workman is removing the crane's connector from the pole. So by this we will expect the work will be completed very soon, in very near future. So from there we will move to near the flyover bridge. Here another electrical pole is going to be laid down. So the work is done very carefully because it is a hard work. Previously the work will be done manually, but today it is all mechanized and all type of machinery is available for all works, and it is very easy to do all the works. You see how easily a pole is going to lay down. Earlierly the poles are first, it will be placed nearby the foundation. After that it is laid by manually, and it will take so much time to complete the work. Nowadays it is very easy to complete the work, and it is completing the work very short period. You see the pole will be laid correctly and in correct position. So the work will be very prompt and very proper way. So after completion of laying down this pole, here another connector pole. This is a connector pole because the pole not singly connected with the electrical wiring, it will be connected with the another pole. It will be used in the multi-track section. So electrical pole will be continued in the single track, and this multiple tracks will be connected to this connected pole. The same pole will be connected to the both sides of the track, and one beam will be connected the both poles. you are seeing here this side another connected pole is laid here. After the fixation of the pole, the beam will be fixed to the both poles and the arms will be fitted to the beam. On the arms only the wiring will be done. So here we are seeing the poles are laid very easily. So with the help of the crane and the manpower is very less. In the earlier days the more manpower is required. Now only 4 to 5 members are working here. So here in the supervision of the engineers and other staff members. Here the police obstructed by the floodgates. So for that purpose the training moving somewhat backward and now they release from the obstruction was removed where the crane. So the crane lifting the pole very easily and it is laid in the foundation. So by this we understand that the electrification work will be completed within the 1 month period. So we are going to observe and look the electric locomotives will be run in this section. So up to Nizamabad. It is somewhat sad to us because the diesel locomotives will be disappearing very soon from our railways. It's also one of the good thing to railways because they are saving more money in the form of fuel. It is also one good thing to our country also. We are saving the petroleum fuels and we are freeing the pollution from the environment. So here the electrical power is used to run the locomotive instead of diesel fuel. So we are saving the fuel to the country. We are saving the money, foreign exchange also. So by that it will be strengthened to our economy. So here the electrical pole is laid very easily and they are setting the pole. So after completion of this work, next few days the fixation work is going to be done. Now the another goods train is coming from the Manmad side and it is approaching to the station. So it is here it is. So it is carrying the ballast. So it is laid under the track. So this ballast is giving some strength to the track. So the electrification work in the entire country will be completed by the year 2023. It will save the railways every year 13,000 crores revenue. So here after laying of the work, you'll observe that some foundation work is also going on. Here the poles which is erected earlier before, in this video we have observed that. So this side of the flower bridge we are observing from the top of the flower bridge. So there the railway gate. Now we came the other side of the flower bridge towards the railway station. Here we have observed that this pole only which is erected. Now we'll talk to the engineer मिस्टर सर्वोत्तम।
इसको नवंबर तक का हमारा CRS का टारगेट मिला है। हम आरमूर से निजामाबाद तक चार्ज करेंगे। निजामाबाद ये क्लियर करने के बाद हम पूरा सेक्शन पेदापल्ली से लेकर निजामाबाद तक अपना इलेक्ट्रीफाइड सेक्शन हो जाता पूरा। यहाँ तक हम पेदापल्ली से लेकर निजामाबाद तक इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन थ्रू चला सकते हैं। उसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट टारगेट हम यहाँ से निजामाबाद से मनोहराबाद कर रहे हैं, जो हमें मार्च तक कंप्लीट करना है। नेक्स्ट सेशन में निजामाबाद से मुदखेड़ तक करेंगे।
ये खाली निजामाबाद यार्ड है, नहीं तो
अभी फिलहाल निजामाबाद यार्ड टारगेट है, अब इंक्लूडिंग आरमूर।
तो जानकमपेट तक बोले?
हाँ नहीं, अभी निजामाबाद यार्ड करते, जानकमपेट तक आगे इन फर्दर उसमें करते नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में। अभी पहले आरमूर से निजामाबाद क्लियर देते, हम नवंबर तक निजामाबाद क्लियर दे देते।
ये महीने में खत्म हो जाता?
हाँ नवंबर तक देते थे।
नवंबर एंडिंग तक?
हाँ नवंबर एंडिंग तक होता। मार्च तक हमें वहाँ तक ये अपना मनोहराबाद तक देते। उसके बाद फर्दर हम ये निजामाबाद से मुदखेड़ तक इंक्लूडिंग जंगमपेट ये सारा जो भी आता है नेक्स्ट स्टेशन वो देते।
You have listened the section engineer Sarvottam Singh's words, no? So he is saying that the work between Peddapalli and Nizamabad section will be completed by the end of the November. After that the work between Nizamabad and Manoharabad will be started and it will be completed by the end of the month of March. Now we will observe the laid poles. It is approximately nearby the Arsapalli. It is completed up to Arsapalli. We have observed that the past flyover bridge which is not incompleted, it is incompleted and it is not completed since the years, lot of years. So it is wasted the money. So the poles are looking very neatly and the both sides the poles are laid here. So by this we understand that it is very happy to listen. Very soon, within the 1 month, we are going to see the electric loco reaching Nizamabad. So it is very good news to us. Oh, this is one of the good news, and the other good news is that the doubling of the section is also going to be reached Nizamabad very soon. So it is not yet fixed, but it is going to be reached Nizamabad very soon. We are reaching the railway gate here. The poles are laid up to the railway station. We have observed that Now we'll observe this side of the station towards the Secunderabad and Peddapalli side. So here is also the poles are laid down. We are seeing that the poles are laid here up to this temple, and beside the temple also the poles are laid here. So this side one, that side one, and the poles are looking very neatly. Before this we have observed that the wiring was completed up to the RUB, that is the road under bridge, rail under bridge. So the erection of poles is completed, and we will observe the completion of work and wiring in the next video. It's bye for now.